Almost on the first line. Scene suggestion is microwave. Let's get it.
That was fun.
No time.
When can I go?
I have to stir it at least 3 times.
But
You can calm down, sir. Calm down. Calm down.
Again.
I wanna go, please. You can put me in with it. We can both spin together. It would be like,
Okay. She's done.
No, I'm gonna go again.
No, you went 3 times already. You have to share the microwave.
I don't want to share the microwave.
You gotta
Why
share.
does he get to go now?
Christine,
so hot
you
in
need to
here?
go sit in timeout.
Yes.
Is this supposed to be hot in here? It's very hot in here.
Sorry, fire alarm's been going off for a while now. It's just okay, I need you to calm down. Sorry. We have a human fire
It
detector
hasn't even
here.
started yet. Hold on.
Sorry, it's just getting really hot. Can we turn it down just a
Fire
little bit?
detected. I am afraid.
Our android is scared.
Okay. I'll solve both problems. I'll just put them on low.
Okay.
Warm.
Alexa! Reset!
Yes.
Reset the robot, please!
Can I come out now, please?
No, please don't.
No, you have to wait the full time. You wanted to get your share.
Time!
Alright, we go back to Johnny. Johnny, we're right there, we're not done.
Oh, wait right there.
No, Johnny.
Johnny, please! Don't leave me! I need you. Johnny. You're great out there.
Alright, so, we're gonna do that scene again, but now in 1 minute. You set a timer for 1 minute, please.
Please, Johnny, can you set a timer for 1 minute? Now, audience, we're going to do that scene again, but only in 1 minute, so we're going to be really going through this fast. Hopefully it works out. You ready, Johnny?
Yes.
First line again. You guys ready? Let's go.
2, 3.
Wait, can I spin? Oh, can I spin now?
No.
No, I
2.
want to spin. I can spin.
No. She gets 3 spins, okay? Calm down. Calm down.
Okay.
Please be loud.
I just want to give you a warning. It's getting kind of hot in here. Just,
And we could both go
again, it's hot.
No.
Again.
I am afraid.
You need to
I know
share
you're
the
afraid.
microwave.
Let's
In the microwave.
Let's
Share the microwave.
Alright.
Okay.
It's really hot in here.
I don't want
Why is it
to.
hot in here?
Alexa!
Yes.
Please shut her down.
Okay. Please.
Why is it
Okay, I
hot?
can solve both of these
It's
problems.
very warm in here.
I'll just put them on low.
Okay. It's still kind of hot in here. This isn't low. This is getting hotter. Can I get out now? Please?
Hey,
Please, it's hot.
you wanted your
It's
share.
hot. Okay, I'm
So
sorry.
you're gonna stay the full time, okay?
Stop spinning. Please, just let me out. I'll be good.
Your time! Now, Johnny, stay right here.
All right, Johnny, please stay right here. We need you one more time.
No.
2 more times? 2 more times. I'm so sorry, Johnny.
We're still need you. Now we're gonna do that scene in 30 seconds.
Now we're going to see in 30 seconds. Can you set the timer for 30 seconds for me, please? All right. So now we're going to do the same scene in 30 seconds. This is going to be much faster now. Let's get it. Let's start.
Go on the first line.
First line, Johnny, please.
I would like a turn. I would very much like a turn. Can I go now? I would like to go.
Guys, it's getting too hot in here.
Calm down. I don't want to get hurt again.
No, I know you don't want to burn. It's just a microwave. I swear. It's just
It is already hot in here.
Put it down.
Okay, everybody's too loud.
Alexa!
I'll just put them on low.
It's so hot in here. It's very hot in here. I don't like that it's hot in here.
Okay, well you wanted to go.
Sorry.
All right, now it's 10 seconds. seconds?
No, it's not something, now the audience has a choice to make, it's either doing 15 seconds or 30 seconds backwards. So you talk to the audience first.
Alright, audience, we have two options left. Only 15 seconds to do this scene again, or 30 seconds backwards.
15!
Alright, Johnny. Oh, you're so hot. I need you to set the timer for 15 seconds. We're going to do that scene one more time.
Let it, make sure you guys are ready.
Make sure you have it ready. First line again. Alright, you guys ready? Let's go.
It is hard.